الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة النساء وإذا كنت فيهم فأقمت لهم الصلاة فلتقم طائفة منهم معك وليأخذوا أسلحتهم فإذا سجدوا فليكونوا من ورائكم ولتأت طائفة أخرى لم يصلوا فليصلوا معك وليأخذوا حذرهم وأسلحتهم ود الذين كفروا لو تغفلون عن أسلحتكم وأمتعتكم فيميلون عليكم ميلة واحدة ولا جناح عليكم إن كان بكم أذى من مطر أو كنتم مرضى أن تضعوا أسلحتكم وخذوا حذركم إن الله أعد للكافرين عذابا مهينا. Translation: And when you are among them and stand up to lead the Salah prayer, then let one party of them stand up with you in prayer and let them take their arms along. Then when they have prostrated, let them take position in the back and let the other party come forward who have not prayed Salah and let them worship praying with you, taking precaution to guard and keep their arms. Those disbelievers wish that you should neglect your arms and your baggage so that they can assault upon you in a single attack. And there is no sin upon you if you lay aside your arms when you are troubled by rain or you are sick, but take full precautions to be on guard. Indeed, Allah has prepared a humiliating punishment for the disbelievers. Hazrat Abu Ayyash Zarqi anhu narrated that we were with Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam at the site of Asfan in front of the polytheists in the battle, and the polytheists were led by Khalid bin Walid, who was not a Muslim till that time, and these kuffar were at the site which was in front of us where we were praying, and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam led the Zuhr Salah, and the polytheists said that, oh, we missed that opportunity. While they were praying, we should have attacked them, and they could have not thought about it. And then they said that there is another Salah that is coming, meaning the Salah of Asr, and that Salah the Muslims love more than their sons and their souls. So when they will be praying the Asr Salah, we will attack on them at once. And that time Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam came between the Zuhr and Asr Salah and brought this ayah. In this ayah, the Salah of the time of fear, meaning Salat al-Khawf, is explained, and the details are numerous, but main principle is that Muslims should never leave themselves uncovered and unprotected and should not be careless about the enemy. Muslims loved to pray behind Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave the commandment that half of the Muslims can pray the half of the Salah behind Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and then they move and take guard, and the other half which was on guard, they come forward and they pray. And then when the Salah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is ended, then both the parties can finish their Salah. If there is rain or the Muslims are sick or they are weak, then they can leave the weapons aside, but they should keep the protective equipment with them and be very attentive. Indeed, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has prepared a humiliating punishment for the disbelievers. O Allah, give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.